A troubling new number from the CDC today. Overdose deaths in this country topped 100,000 in a 12-month period for the first time ever. This is a sharp rise for a crisis that has only escalated during the pandemic. Here's NBC5's Lauren Petty with what's at stake and what parents need to know.
At the Hazelden Betty Ford Treatment Center in Chicago.
It's staggering. It's not unexpected.
News of a nearly 29% increase in overdose deaths in the U.S. in a 12-month period matches what the treatment center has been seeing.
It's just continued to grow, and fentanyl is such a dangerous drug.
75% of the overdose deaths were from opioids, mostly synthetic pills, including fentanyl, according to the CDC.
It's really Russian roulette anytime you buy drugs illegally or you don't know what's in them.
Hazelden Chicago director Lauren Fish says increased access to treatment is one way to stop the rise in deadly overdoses that she believes is directly related to the pandemic.
Working from home and being more isolated, there's less eyes on people, and so there's not as much support or intervention from loved ones.
Another way is prevention, and that starts with kids.
Opioids, that conversation is a part of all 3 programs for all the age levels.
Lance Williams teaches 4th through 8th graders about opioids and fentanyl for Candor Health Education.
Year after year, month after month, there are students who are alluding to having experienced something.
Williams says it's never too early to talk to kids about opioids, and headlines like today's are a good way to initiate the conversation.
It can be a learning experience, especially with younger students, how to responsibly research information online, what reputable sources are compared to things, maybe a discussion board.
For those who are struggling,
It's really, it's a matter of making a phone call and picking up the phone and just asking for help. That's the hardest part, but it's the most important part.
many centers, including Hazelden Betty Ford in Chicago, are offering outpatient programs virtually during the pandemic. Lauren Petty, NBC5 News.